Well, the Ender 3's been working hard. I made an adapter for the cheap dollar store food containers. When I was using net cups and the real thin tops that come on these food containers, my basil plants would get so tall that they would tip out and tip up the net cup. And I know there's ways we could hold down the net cups, but I just figured with the tower systems I'm building anyway, I'll just go ahead and make an adapter so that everything snaps in. I use the foam pucks to keep light out. Should work out well.